man will say no gashishi. I am sending a direct message to him. There is a new sheriff in town. He cannot come to Edo without telling me, because his security will never be guaranteed. Whatever happens to him when he's in Edo State, he will take it. I am serious about it. He came the other day and donated 15 million. Somebody will say, no, Gashishi, why get 15 million to donate to people? By the time he left, there was crisis. 3 people died in Benin. So for that reason, tell Obi he should not come to Edo without telling me.
Onyema this man, Opebulo. Onyema this man, Opebulo that cannot pronounce figures. A governor that disgraced himself shamefully in public in the House of Assembly when he said he wanted to deliver budget. Okay, yeah? That was 2024 or 2025 budget. You know, single pronunciation of figures in naira. Rarea. Even in Canada, 15, 15. 15. Ega na ya okunde nde money miss road. Money miss road. I hand out. Gonna call my governors. As in get a Peter Obi, Biazrebia Toaka. Peter Obi should not come to your state. That is this thing. The man has indicted himself. This Opebulo that stole the mandate of Edo people has indicted himself by saying that whatever happens to Peter Obi, that he is not responsible. This is indirectly asking for the attack of Peter Obi in Edo. He is indirectly asking the attack of Peter Obi in Edo. This man, with this video now. Now, I want you people in the mayor to take this message to him. Opebulo, the governor of Edo. If anything happens to Peter Obi, the Igbos will hold you responsible. I repeat, Opebulo, if anything should happen to Peter Obi, anywhere near Edo, not even when he has gone into Edo, because he has the right to go into Edo, there is freedom of movement in this country. It is the fundamental human right of Peter Obi to move anywhere in Nigeria. See you. Headers are killing your people. Fulani headsmen are killing your people. It was you that rushed to Kano to beg. It was you that rushed to Kano to beg, to even pay compensation. A coward of a governor. It was you. You rushed to Kano. And you look at somebody that is generally accepted. Somebody that is patriotic enough to be accepted even by the far north, to threaten him in the southern part of Nigeria where he belongs. Opebulo, this is a warning to you. If anything should happen to Obi, Opebulo, if anything should happen to Peter Obi, as you have threatened in your video, people like you that are in governance is a mistake. People like you that are in governance is a huge mistake. That is why we are suffering what we are suffering in Nigeria. Because people like you that lack vision, you don't have anything upstairs. But because you have connection, because you think you have Godfather, because you think you have money, that is why you are there. By nature, by academics, you are not qualified. By position, you are not qualified. You are not. But unfortunately, you are governor. And because you are governor, you think you can talk anyhow. Look at you talking like a tout. Look at a governor talking like a tout. Aburo. Look at how you are talking. Threatening a former governor of a state. Threatening a former presidential candidate of the largest acceptable party. Threatening somebody that is loved beyond Nigeria. And you think that this your threat, we will take it lightly. It's Okrela Shapaka. Shapara. If anything should happen to Peter Obi near Edo State, not even when he has gone into Edo, because he must go to Edo. In fact, Peter Obi is going into Edo State next week. Then do your worst. He should not come into Edo. He went to give 15 million. He said he has no money, but he has given 1.5, 145, 15 million. He is giving 15 million. Is it your money, sir? Is it your money? Why are you drinking Panadol in the head of another person's money? Why? Is it your money? Because you cannot give. You know you cannot give. You know you cannot give. That is why you are shouting. You are threatening. Even the people that you are talking are even disappointed in you. The crowd there, they are not even hailing you. They are not even happy with what you said. If you are sensible enough, you will notice that when you were saying that, people were not happy with you. People were not happy with you. A mistake in governance. A mistake in the leadership of Nigeria. Sorry, Edo people. Edo people, I am sorry for you people. I am sorry for you people. You people will see when in the house of this one. You see this one? Una go see when una go cry blood. This one? Oh, this one like governor. Ah, this one like governor. Una go see when Edo people. Una never see Shanshin. Una never see Shanshin. I'm telling you. Look at somebody that cannot speak good English. That cannot pronounce figures in Naira. Talking to Peter Obi. World acclaimed economist. Somebody that is upright. Somebody that is righteous. As far as Nigeria is concerned, Peter Obi is righteous. And you are not, sir. And you think you can come out and be wow, I'm out. Against Peter Obi. Anyway, let anything happen to him near Edo, not even in Edo, near Edo. Back in Igbo. In a wanya.